Hey, what's up? My name is Mahesh Sopari. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a web app or a software in habit tracking category with zero experience, zero coding skills as a complete beginner and with zero investment. Cool. So the software what you're seeing on the screen is created by myself. I don't have any coding skills or any experience in building softwares, but I've done it. And if you need this blueprint how I've created this exact software with zero investment, you can please check out the link in the channel description. Okay, so there is a dedicated free master class. Okay, so you can watch it, and if you are interested, you can get into my community and get the same exact blueprint what I've created this software. Now let's directly jump into the strategy, and I'm going to show you literally within 10 minutes. I'm going to create a software in front of you. Now once I click on create your first project, there are two different options, and the first option is AI suggest an idea. If you don't have any idea to create a software, AI will be suggesting you. And the second option is if you already have an idea in like to create a software, you can make use of the second option. So I've already done a dedicated video on second option. You can find it in my video section. And let's move with AI suggest an idea. And once I click on that, you can see there are 50 plus different categories where you can create these softwares. Okay, for this example, I'm going to choose habit tracking, and once I click habit tracking and click on continue, now what does the next navigation is, here we need to choose the complexity. There are three different types where we can select. First one is simple, where we can create simple apps. Second is moderate, and third one is hard. So in medium and hard, there are few integrations included. That thing we are going to cover it inside the community, but for this example purpose, I'm going to select easy and click on generate ideas. Okay, now AI will be analyzing, and it would be giving us ideas from high demand market. Okay, right now what are the situations facing by real-time people, those things it would be converted into ideas and it would be giving us back. Okay, so let's wait for a while and let's see what kind of ideas it would be generating. All right, so we have already got there are 6 different ideas which got generated, and if you are not happy with all these 6 ideas, you can click on get 6 more ideas. You are going to get that. Now let's go and read. First one is Motivus, and Motivus uses AI to analyze your past habit entries, mood via quick general inputs and stated goals to generate deeply personalized, emphatic and contextual daily nudges and micro challenges. Okay, and the second one is Partly takes a user's high level goal, example learn code, run a 5k, and uses AI to intelligently break it down into a structured progressive sequence of micro habits and tasks. It suggests realistic daily by weekly routines. Okay, so you can read it, you can pause and read it how these ideas are like how they have got generated, so that you will be also having some idea. Cool. So for this example purpose, I have already chosen an idea, guys. Let me show you. Now here I've already created that application, but here is the idea, guys. Here what it does is, this particular application, it takes your habit. Okay, what is the routine every day you follow, it takes that, and if there is any new routine to get included into your habits, okay, you would be having an option. Please enter the new habits what you would like to enter, like what you would like to try it out, and it would be recommending it according to the situation. Okay, so for example purpose, this is what we would like to create, and let me show you the procedure. I'll be clicking on select this idea. Okay, and here you'll be getting refine your idea, and also if there are any changes you can do it, and click on start this project, and you will be getting market score over here. Okay, and that's it. You need to click on market, and you are going to get market analysis, marketing signal, buzz the build the buzz, defensive strategy, financial lens, like how much money you are going to make, key risk and mitigation, opportunity breakdown, etc. I'm going to click on customize. So once I click on customize, there is a price point, and here you can monetize it with Google AdSense, or you can include some affiliate products and make some money. Okay, but these are the monetization strategies, and which we are going to discuss more inside the community. Okay, and also you can sell this particular software with a premium on it, either it's $19, $20 per month, it's up to you. You can even sell it, and we are working on Google ecosystem, so integrations and all the stuffs are butter smooth. Okay, That thing, everything we are going to discuss inside the community. Now click on build. So what is the exact same process you're watching? You can also create the same structure for your own. Okay, you can own a software like what I do. Right now I've got two different options, guys, after clicking build. First option is a paid option where you're going to copy the mega prompt and insert it into a lovable, okay, full stack development platform. And after entering this prompt, you need to follow these steps so that your app is created. And the second option is completely free option. We are going to make use of Google AI Studio. Go to Google, search it, open the first link, and directly go to build section and paste the master prompt. Okay, here is the master prompt, right? You need to copy this master prompt and paste it over here and click on build. So within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, your application will be created. And this is how your application looks. And this is an app what I've discussed with you earlier. Now I'm going to sign up. I'm going to give my email and the password and click on login. So once I click on login, this is how the dashboard look, and we can refresh the dashboard once we are done with the creating of this application. Why? Because everything is backed by Google. Now click on start new habit, and here you need to enter your existing routine. Okay, and here is a new habit to build. Okay, so you can check it like what is my existing routine. This is just an example, and these are the new habits I would like to add, 3 different habits. Now click on habit stacks. So it would be analyzing, and you know, meditation and stretching can be done only in the morning. So it thinks in a different perspective and give us with the suggestions. And reading a book, it can be done in the morning or at the night, but morning is preferred. Let's see what does it give. You know, before after getting out of the bed at 7 a.m. it's asking us to stretch, and after that it's asking us to meditate, and before going to work it's asking us to read 10 pages of book. That's it. Okay, if you have multiple things to get included, you can do that, and this is just an example so that you will be having that idea. Now this is how the software would be working, and this is a simple software, and we can create moderate and hard kind of softwares inside once you get this exact same blueprint. So guys, to get this software and want to build it on your own, then you need to check out the link in the channel description, get registered for the community, and get the exact same blueprint what I'm using to create your own software. You know, this particular software will be creating you unlimited software, guys. Okay, that is the beauty of having it, and you can monetize it, you can sell it, you can do anything you want to and start making money from that. Cool. So marketing strategies and everything I'm going to discuss inside the community. Need not to get worried. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss any next notification. I'll catch you on my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.